Hello, I am your host, Alyssa Mendel, and welcome to Fighting for the Youth Music Therapy Workshop. Fighting for the Youth is designed to help youth and young adults eliminate social media and outside influences that cause depression and anxiety. Our goal is to promote, educate, and heal those that are plagued by depression and anxiety, as well as other mental illnesses. Now, for this workshop today, we're going to dive into music therapy. And before we get started on our main exercise, I would like you to ponder these questions. Have you ever felt like you were emotionally drowning? Have you ever felt like the world was suffocating? Have you felt unseen, maybe unheard? Have you expressed your concerns and thoughts with others? Have you gotten help for your mental illnesses? Have you reached out for help yourself? If not, what is keeping you from reaching out? Now, this exercise requires paper, a pen or pencil, and headphones if you would like them. This will be a silent, individual exercise. I invite you to listen to this music video in its entirety. While you do so, write down how you feel, how the music makes you feel. Write down your struggles, your fears, your anxieties. Write down what causes you to have depressive thoughts or actions. Write down the words that you have left unspoken. Write freely. This is a safe, confidential, judge-free space. Now, I invite you to watch the second video. Begin on a separate, new piece of paper. While watching this second video, ponder and write down how you feel. How does the music make you feel? Write down what gives you hope. Where have you found joy? Was it in a person, in a place, in a time? Why did it make you happy? Think of someone you love and who loves you. Write down that person's name. Write down your goals and aspirations. Think about a place you go to get away from the world. Write down where it is, and what about it that it is so comforting. Make a list of things that you are grateful for. In closure, music has a way of helping us express emotions that we don't even understand ourselves, and can put these feelings into meaningful lyrics or just a tune that resonates with every fiber of our being. During this silent exercise, we focused on listening to the music and taking time to reflect upon ourselves. Feelings, emotions, and thoughts that were initially hard to barely utter by mouth came freely by hand. The first exercise allows us to really communicate. The second part of the exercise allows us to more deeply ponder and communicate with our inner selves. Music therapy is one way to take control of your anxiety and or depression and find help. Our purpose as Fighting for the Youth is to help youth and young adults know they are not alone. There is help to be found, and there are unique ways to find it. We would love to hear your thoughts during the work about the workshop and your thoughts throughout it. Please feel free to contact us directly at fightingfortheyouth@gmail.com or comment below. Thank you.